So now I'm going to show you how to use the multisim program. We simply click the icon shown below and this screen pops up. Here's your working area. Here's your menu bar, your toolbar, and your components bar. Now we're going to place component, and we're going to add our DC power source and our ground. So we go on the group, click on basic, and click on sources. Now we have already selected the ground and the component. We see ground and it's highlighted blue. We make sure we see the correct symbol and press OK. Click on our working pad. So we scroll to see DC power, select our DC power, make sure we have the symbol correct, press OK, and click onto our working pad. Now we're going on the group, click on sources and basic to get our resistor. Select resistor, punch in 5, make sure 5 is highlighted, symbol is correct, OK. And the screen automatically pops up again. 3, select 3, OK. There we go. Now to get rid of the screen from popping up again, we press close or X. Now we have to connect all our components together. So we hover over the symbol, and at the end of the symbol you must wait until your cursor turns into a black dot on your screen. Click at the end of your component and drag until you reach the other end of the other component and wait to see a red dot and click on that red dot. This shows a perfect connection. Now we're doing the same thing for the other symbols, the other components, sorry. Click, red dot, click again. Same goes here. And there we go. Perfect connections. Again, we have it connected. So now our entire circuit is connected properly, and now we're going to have to test for voltage and current readings. Now we're going to have to use a multimeter to test for those values. So at the side of your screen you are seeing a range of icons, and you're just hovering over them and you're seeing multimeter, function generator, wattmeter. We're going to select the icon that tells us multimeter. Click onto your working pad and connect in parallel to your resistor. That is to take your voltage reading for each resistor you're doing that. So click on the icon. You can add as many any amount of components to your circuit by just clicking on the icon. So we're going to take the voltage readings for these resistors. By doing that, we need to simulate. We switch on by pressing that 1 on, and we see design 1 simulating and green rectangles just moving around. Double click on one of your meter, and there we go, 7.5 volts. Make sure you're on the V button and the straight line button as well. This indicates DC and voltage, and we have a correct value, 7.5. So 12 minus 7.5 is supposed to give you 4.5 volts. So if we double click on this multimeter, there we go, 4.5 volts. So these are your voltage readings. Now we want to switch off in order to take our current readings. So to add components into your working pad and to remove it, you need to switch off from simulating. otherwise you can't do that. So switch off. I'm going to take off these two. We are able to take off these meters because we switched off, and now we make a connection by connecting in series to our circuit. There we go, red dot, and now we switch on again for stimulating. We now double click on our meter and switch from volt to amperes. 1.5 amps we get. 12 divided by 5 plus 3, which is 8 ohms, gives us 1.5 amps. That is from Ohm's law, and that's a correct value as well. So that is how you take your voltage and current readings. Switch off, take off, and that is it. Thank you.